Well, here we go again. Another emergency at our hotel. We don't know if it's the dryers or what's going on. And some people came out and some people didn't. But, yep. We were just relaxing in bed, and the next thing we know, it's really loud when it goes off in the hotel. And it's 2:07 a.m. in the morning, which is not unusual for us because we've gone through this before. Actually, we've gone through this earlier, haven't we? Usually earlier, not this early in, well, I mean, earlier in the evening, not this late or early in the morning.
It's been both, Julie.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just hanging out in the car, and we can't go anywhere anyways because it's right across. Oh, he's got his tank on. Yeah, we'll figure out where it's coming from. I hope it's not some idiot that's smoking or that they overcooked something, but they'll figure it out. Yeah. It could be just the dryers, but it does happen that way. Some of the fire guys. Sorry. And everybody else is gathered there. Yeah. And here goes another. I think these guys are not, they're just volunteers, right?
Yeah.
My hubby Ed used to be a firefighter, and his dad too, years ago, before I ever knew him. Sorry, yeah, we have gross windows, so I got that. I don't know if we're ever going to hear what really happened because they don't usually tell us anyway, so. Sometimes they do. Is that a baby or an animal? Oh, maybe
Well, it wasn't anything.
I guess it was nothing, yeah. Somebody's just... Yeah, I guess something's wrong. We're putting everything back. Oh well.
What?
No, I'm just speaking to the... I guess it was nothing, as my hubby says. They all came back, so I don't know. Huh. Oh well, we don't know what it was. I hope it stops soon. It's not fun for my hubby to go down the stairs. Trust me. It is not fun. Very painful. Hopefully we'll be able to take the elevator right back up to the 3rd floor.
I'm thinking maybe not.
Uh-oh. Well, they're leaving, so, but maybe something's going on with someone else. We have 2 fire trucks here. I forgot.
And they're both leaving.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh.
everybody comes out of the hotel, which is not good because they should. I think our friend is too sick to come out. She never comes out anyways, and she has 2 little dogs, and she really should come out. She never does, though. She just doesn't want to bother. She says it takes her too long to get everybody situated, but not a smart idea. I know both of us would definitely take our animals out if we had animals. Definitely. They'd be coming out for sure. There's some more people, I guess, finally coming out of the building. Bright lights.
Yep.
Ooh, very bright. Oh, and they're turning around, I guess. I don't know. The second truck. Well, that was the first truck that came in. Oh, maybe they're going to stay here. Oh, okay. Something else is going on then. Huh. I'll be darned. Oh, wow. Here they come. Our brave firefighters. All the gear they have to carry. Not fun. And their coats and pants and everything. Oh, and everything else. All the other gear they have. Heavy stuff sometimes. Huh.
That's heavy stuff all the time.
Yeah. It's just not fun. I just remember them telling us on different tours and when they came to visit some of the schools I worked at, not fun, not easy, and they would time each other. Yeah, they're used to it, I'm sure. Still people on the side of the building. I still don't know what it is, but I don't know if we'll ever know. I want to know, I guess. Oh, and this alarm is so noisy when you're coming down the stairs and even in your rooms and the hallways. It's so piercing. I'm like plugging my ears half the time. It's just awful. Oh, it's going into the room there. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, Christ.
Anyways, talk to you later. Bye.